Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the drive and confirming compatibility. Plug the USB into your computer. Format to FAT32 or XFAT if the TV requires it, because TVs often can't read NTFS. Once done, convert or copy one playable file to the drive's root so you can test quickly. Make sure the file uses a supported codec like H.264 or HEVC. That prevents playback errors. You'll save time by organizing smaller folders and naming files simply for the TV to index. You now insert the USB into the TV and let the system detect it. Many TVs show a USB or media player prompt automatically. Using your remote, select Input or Source, then choose USB or Media Player. This is where the TV scans for indexes and thumbnails. If you don't see files, switch between list and thumbnail views or refresh the media list. Changing view forces reindexing. Make sure audio tracks and subtitles are selected in the player menu so the movie plays with sound and captions. You're in the final step. Press play and confirm picture and sound. If the aspect ratio looks wrong, change display or zoom settings. If audio is missing, switch audio track or output to TV speakers. Should the file refuse to play, transcode the file to MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio. Many TVs reject exotic containers or high-profile codecs. If detection fails, reset the TV's USB index in settings or try a different USB drive to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.